Not gonna procrastinate. Today we are dyeing my hair. Revlon Color Stay. I'm just using the box. I'm doing black, keeping it simple, okay? So it's looking a little dusty brown, like a number 2 at the moment. And I got like maybe 2 or 3 grays. That's not the issue. I just want my hair to be black. I just want something, a little sheen to it. Okay? This is what we're doing. Let's get into it. All right, first off, step 1, your cream color developer. And then number 2, you have your ammonia free coloring. Okay? We're just gonna pour number 2 into number 1. Make sure you follow instructions. Now, put that top on and shake. Shake, mix well. Now, there are gloves that come in the box, but they're pretty thin, so I usually have my own, even though they're ripped already. I usually like my own, they're a little bit thicker, and I just get a box of gloves off Amazon. Now we're just gonna let it sit, and with the chemical reactions, you can feel the bottle getting a little bit warm, okay? You need to cut this little stopper off. It comes with a little stopper, I guess, to keep the product from coming out. And you just clip the tip of that off. And then we're just gonna apply it. I mean, my hair is short, so 1 bottle will be enough. If your hair is shoulder length or longer, you're gonna need 2 bottles. Feel bad because now I gotta do all this hard work over again because I just did my hair on Saturday. I just did the foam, the setting, the conditioning. Now I gotta do it all over again. But it'll be worth it. And having hair at this length, it's not a hard task at all. So we're just gonna apply the color. And I usually do apply it in the same direction that I normally wear my hairstyle. What I like about this dye is if it gets on anything, it really can just wipe away with water. Maybe a little bleach. It'll wipe away with bleach and water if needed. But normally I just take a wet rag if it gets on my counter or anything and just wipe it away, so I don't have to worry about stains. And I like to do this, wash my hair in the sink, because I do not want this dye in my shower towel. It makes it easier. Alright, so now we just wait. I've applied it. Try to wipe it off your ears or off your skin if you see some spots where you get some of the dye on your skin. Just try to wipe it off, because when it stains your skin, like on your face, it'll stay there a while, and you really have to try to hide it with makeup for at least a few days until it wears off. All right, so here we have it, and then we just let it sit. If you feel it burning or tingling, you need to rinse it out. And definitely don't try to dye your hair after you just relaxed it. You need to wait like 2 weeks, because I tried that before and burn. And those little edges, make sure you get your widow's peak. Alright guys, so now we just wait, and I will wait about 25 to 30 minutes. Again, if it starts burning you, rinse it out. Duh. Another reason I decided to do this today is because I want to get my nails done. And you do not want to get your nails done and then go dye your hair in case something gets on it or you're washing and rinsing and it mess up your nails that you done paid $55, $60 for. Oh no ma'am. So I know I'm probably going to be getting my nails done today or tomorrow. It's supposed to snow today, guys. I live in Virginia. Shout out to Hampton Roads. And we had snow on Friday, and today's Monday, and it's supposed to snow in a few hours. So I look forward to that. So it's a good thing. Definitely keeps me from going to work, sadly. And I get to fool around and play with you guys and chat and do what I like to do. You know? So now I just grab my mirror so I can see to make sure there's nothing on my neck. I don't want any dye. Ooh, gotta wipe that off. We'll figure that out later. We'll figure that out. And while you're sitting here, ask yourself, what are your goals? What are your goals for 2026? What are your goals for the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself? And it shouldn't just be about losing weight. Life's more than that. Think about that. Put in the comments. Where do you see yourself in 6 months? Where do you see yourself in a year? And where do you see yourself in 5 years? Yeah, I want to know. I want to hear it. Let's talk. Just saying. So now you can see how that darkened up. You want to be watching that because then you'll really realize where you accidentally put too much on your skin. And you just want to wipe some of that away. Can't be looking like them dudes that just left the barbershop. Nah, don't do that over here. Yeah, I need a little coffee break sometimes. So welcome to my home. Oh, welcome to my home. I really am crazy. Anyway. Oh my God. You see what I'm talking about? You see that? This is inside the plastic on my nail. That's why I knew. I don't feel like taking the glove off the shoulder. It's purple now. Oh. I already knew. So again, I'm telling you, don't get your nails done first if you're doing your own hair. Do your hair, dye your hair, then get your nails done. Okay? Not sure what happened to my audio, but at this point, I'm just letting you know that this is a permanent hair color, meaning it lasts up to 6 to 8 weeks. All right, so now we are applying our moisturizing strength conditioner number 3. So put that in, leave that for about 5 to 7 minutes. And yeah, that's black, baby. That is black. Black is beautiful. And so are the other colors in the world. We're talking about black right now. Alright, so let's set it and forget it. Told you this before. I told you this before. You want to lay it down, baby. I will say, I've been doing my own hair for the last 20 years, and I've only gone to the hair salon. I'm gonna say 18 years. I've been doing my own hair, and it was our first time going to the hair salon last week in 18 years. So I've been doing pretty good. I mean, I just never liked the prices, and thinking about giving my money to a hairdresser at those crazy prices. I'd rather watch YouTube and learn how to do it myself, and that's what I was doing, and it works. Like, I mean, unless I got some special event, I'm going to, and I want probably finger waves or something like that. Maybe when my hair gets longer, I'll go to the dresser more, but I'll be going to that school because I'm not about that life. So comb your hair down the direction you want it to lay. I think I'm gonna do a part today. My hair came out so good yesterday, y'all. Oh, it was so nice and conditioned because I actually conditioned it with go back and check out that video of me doing and molding my hair. This works so good. I even put some in I even added some to what I was just doing. I ain't even gonna lie. This is just the best. It is. All right, so today I'm doing a little part Lay this down. Remember, have enough. A little forward and swoop. Okay, take that. A little forward and swoop. It's just gonna be really flat. I'm gonna have the back pretty flat as well. See this little stick up here? A little foam there. All right, a little foam. And then a little swoop. Swoop-de-doop. I'm placing this behind the ear. You struggle to shape this how you want, get your rat tail comb, or go watch my last video. And to make sure it's how I want it, take my brush, especially at the back. I want it to be flat. I don't want it lumpy. No lumps and dumps, baby. No lumps and dumps. Look at that. Gonna do this swoop-de-doop, baby. All right, and I actually got my wax. Myself up. I actually got some wrap scripts, so I'm gonna try those. I'm gonna say I never use these. I only seen it on the videos, so we're about to do it today. So they pull and go around, Oh, okay. I feel it. Okay, let me try again. I'm just doing stuff. I don't know how y'all do these. Pray for me. Okay, they're not that bad. They're not that bad, y'all. I think I can do it. Okay. I'm also putting on my hair rag. I probably don't need those scripts. I just wanted to try them. But whatever. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and I'll be back to show you tonight. All right, and it is the next day, and we are done. So let's check it out. It should be nice and dark and really black. So, what do you think? I think that turned out good. I think it turned out good, guys. And that's it. Easy to do. Follow the instructions. And I'll see you next time.